Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through making a 3D HTV iron-on t-shirt. So I found this adorable image over in Creative Fabrica, and I'm going to show you how I am going to use this image and use 4 different colors. So I'm sure there's many different ways to do this, and I'm not an expert, but this is what I think will work. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this. So the first thing you want to do is hit ungroup, and you will see that it now opens up and you'll have a basic cut and you'll also have the image. So I'm gonna go ahead and hide the black image because I don't want to print that. And let me go ahead and select this really quick, and I just want to make sure it's about the size I want for my shirt. So I want it to be at least 8. So I'm just gonna drag it a little bit bigger. All right, so that I think will be okay. So I think this will probably be good. So here we'll want to go ahead and hit ungroup again. And now you should see the 3 hearts, and those are the basic cuts. And then here you'll see that this says group. So this one is still grouped. So we're gonna click on this one, and then we're gonna hit ungroup again. And this should open up the rest of the cut files. So we now have everything open, and I'm going to just kind of do it in order. So I'm going to start with this part. So I'm going to go ahead and take this and hide those. And I'm going to hide the hearts as well. So let's hide this one and this one. So now we're going to go ahead and select this image, and we're going to hit attached. Now that that is attached, we're going to go ahead and hit make it. And because this is an iron-on and we're using an HTV vinyl, we need to mirror the image. So let's first go ahead and click on or select on the mat, and we're going to mirror this. And then we're going to hit continue. Okay, and then I'm just going to select everyday iron-on, and let's go ahead and load the mat. We're going to go ahead and put the shiny side down and line it up, and then I like to use the brayer over it. Okay, so we just did this one. So we're going to go back up here, and we are going to go ahead and hit detached. And now we're going to hide that one and that one. So, and you know what? Let me just upload this really quick, just because I like to have this as a template to kind of look at. So let me just go ahead and I'm going to upload this one just to kind of look. Okay, so the one that I'm uploading is a print and cut, and I just want to kind of have it here just as a template. So I just did so I'm now going to do self. So let's scroll down here and look for the self one. So let's slide this one over, and let's go ahead and hide this again. And we want to select this and hit attached, and then make it, and then confirm, and then we have to mirror the image. So let's go ahead and mirror this, and now I'm going to take a different color, and we're going to go ahead and do the exact same thing. We're going to place the vinyl down on the shiny side, and we're going to cut it, and then we'll come back to Cricut Design Space. So let's get going, hit continue, and I'm going to select everyday iron-on back. We're going to hit done, and we're going to go back here. And then I like to look again here. So let's open this. I like to follow the template. So we're going to select self, go down here, and we actually need to detach it to make it visible. Okay, so it's this one. All right, so we did we did self, and now we need to do love, and then that heart. So let's go down here and do love. And then that heart, let's see if it's, yep, it's this one. So we have that, all right. And you can see it right here. So we're gonna go ahead and select this, hit attached. And then I need to select this and hide it again. And we're gonna go ahead and hit make it. On the mat, confirm. We need to mirror the image and continue. And I'm going to select everyday iron on, and then we're going to go ahead and load the mat. This is the Puff vinyl that I'm using. It's by Trans Wonder. Just in case you like it, I'll leave it in the descriptions below. And we're going to go ahead and take all these and we are going to weed it. So let's go ahead and get up here. So I also put a heat pad mat in between the shirt, if you can see here. And let's go ahead and just preheat it for like 10 or 15 seconds. And that helps take the moisture out of the shirt, which helps it stay better. So I did about 10 seconds. I printed this on just the black and white printer just so I can kind of have a template to follow. I need to get scissors, because we're going to need to actually cut a little bit more. So, all right, so let's go ahead and cut here. And I'm just cutting up the sheet, the clear sheet. And I'm just trying to get as close to the letters, but not too close, because you don't want to cut a letter. Okay, so, okay, I have to do the bottom as well, since this connects to another letter. And the last one, and then we're going to line it up. So let's just kind of move that over there. Okay. Then let's just line it up. So when I do it, I like to have the vinyl at least about 3 fingers from here. So let's go ahead and just kind of line this up here. And I also like to kind of bend this in half a little bit. Let's first bend it in half, and we're going to line up the letters. You're not fully bending it though, you're just kind of getting an idea where the center is. So this would be right here is the center. So I'm just going to line that center up with that, the end of the V. And I'm going to go ahead and tape it. Okay, so the next one is self. So let's go ahead and do self. So we're just going to line up the letters, just so they kind of touch. And I know that this right here is the center, so just like right here. And I'm going to follow this to here. Okay, so we're going to do just like this. Okay, and tape it. And we're going to double check it really quick when we're done. And let's go ahead and do love. So let's, same thing, we'll just do letter to letter, which is about right here. And so this is about right here. And this one actually has to go a little bit further down like that. And this one, let's put under here, just like that. Okay. And the era. So let's move the shirt up, and we also need to bring the mat inside down, because I want to have that cover the whole all the vinyl. So now it's there. All right, so let's do era. Okay, so I think this is perfect. And what I noticed is I forgot to do the heart. So you know what? I'm going to go ahead and hit pause. I'm going to cut that heart really quick, because that is so cute. So I'll be right back. Let's go ahead and take some tape, some sublimation tape to put over it. And I'm just going to slide it under here. So let's go ahead and place this right in here. And perfect. Okay, now we are ready, you guys. So let's go ahead and take some parchment paper, place it over here, and remember we're at 320 degrees, and we're going to do it for 15 seconds. Place this under here, and Okay, and let's see. So you can see some spots, like let's say like right here there, and like a little bit of here. You can see, let me push it, like if you can see here, this part is not the puffy and neither is this part. So what we're going to do is do it one more time. So I'm going to place the parchment back over it, and we're going to go ahead and place this back in here and do 15 more seconds. And let's see. And look how awesome it looks, you guys. It looks so awesome. So they recommend waiting till it's at least a little bit cooler before you take this off. So I'm going to wait about a minute and then we'll go ahead and take it off. That is so awesome, isn't it? So comment below, let me know what you guys think, and if you don't already subscribe, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.